Hey Facebook, I hope you guys can see me. I'm trying to put this camera up so you can see what's on my counter. Actually getting ahead of the game. This is Monday and preparing dinner before I go pick up Adriana from school and we have dance class and, you know, crazy evenings, homework, all that fun stuff. So I'm actually prepping my dinner ahead of time, and this one is super simple, but I've never done it before, so we're gonna try it out together. What I'm making is, a lot of you saw my post yesterday and we're just going crazy for it, so I figured I'd try something a little different. The popcorn shrimp, so good. I had it again for lunch today. Say hi when coming on. Hey Jenny, hey Karen. I can't see you guys that I'll have to come up and see your comments if you have to ask questions. But I am making unfried chicken. And what I'm doing is I cut up some chicken breasts, just in some like strips. I've taken 2 eggs, just whipped them up real quick. And then yesterday I took my food processor and took a whole bag of barbecue pork rinds and just, you know, chopped them up fine. I used about half of the bag yesterday for my shrimp recipe. Today I'm going to use the other half, so that's what's in here. There's nothing else mixed in here right now. So I'm going to put this in a bowl along with some other seasoning. Now I'm totally winging this, figuring what sounds good. So I'm going to put some Himalayan salt, some paprika, okay, some black pepper, and then garlic, because garlic goes good in anything that's made, pretty much. Can't go wrong with garlic, and mix it up a little bit. And then I'm going to dip my chicken in my egg and in the pork rinds. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do a little trick. Someone told me this yesterday. I'm going to try it. Adding a little almond flour to this so it keeps the pork rinds dry. Because once they start getting wet, it makes it harder to coat the chicken. So I'm going to add a little bit of almond flour to this just to help. And then I'm sure you guys hear PJ behind me is making noise because she hears me talking. Okay. Mix this up. She's waiting for something to drop. Okay, so I've got my barbecue pork rinds. You can use any kind of pork rinds, guys. I just chose to go with barbecue, give it a little extra flavor. Some almond flour, some salt, pepper. What else do I have in here? Garlic powder and paprika. Sorry, I want to put a little more pepper. Okay. All right, so we're going to dip some chicken breasts in the egg and then put them in the this mixture here to make them a chicken. Now you could cook this several different ways. You could cook this in an air fryer if you had one, which is one reason I want one. You can fry them on the stove, put a little bit of oil in a pan and just, you know, brown them up that way, like you would fried chicken. I'm actually going to bake these. So after I cook this up right here, I'm gonna grab my spray olive oil and just douse it and throw it in the oven. I'm gonna get you a temperature and time for this on my computer. Just a moment. I just learned this, so give me a sec. 400 degrees. Shh, quiet. Nobody wants to hear your barking. 400 degrees for 10 minutes. That's not bad. That doesn't take long at all, guys. So literally, it's chopping up this, flip, 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 put it on here, 10 minutes and 400 degrees, and you've got yourself chicken. I actually think my kids will eat this, so I'm ecstatic. I'll show you guys the end product later this evening. Didn't I give you your second cookie? I think I did. And I'll let you know if the kids enjoyed it. Thank you guys. Ooh, also, you can dip this and take Frank's Red Hot sauce, mix it with a little melted butter, and you can coat that in it. Delicious. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Hey,